Well, hello, welcome back to another video. I've got this tablet. It's just a generic, I can't even remember the name of it now, tablet, but the charging port has packed up, so I can't charge it, so I'm going to attempt to break it open and then see what type of charging port it has and order one. So I've got a guitar pick. I'm just trying to not quite stiff enough, I don't think. Right, that wouldn't work, so I've now got a car trim tool. Which seems to be too thick. Steel rule, I haven't got a plastic rule. Let's try that. Oh, that's gone in. So, a cheapo Android tablet. I can't even remember the make now. If I break it, it'll thing is, if I took it to a repair shop, like I say, at the end of the day, it's a couple of years old. It didn't cost a huge amount of money, so I'd probably better off getting a new one. So if I break it, I'll get a new one. And also, if I break it, you'll never know because you won't see this video. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, oh, there's a wire there, look. Connected. What's that for? Speaker. That's fucking nice, doesn't it? Ah, might have broke the speaker wire there. Well, that speaker stayed in there, look. There's the charging port. get serious with it. How this tape I can just get them, but these two ribbons have got little catches on it. You flick it like that, and then it should, what's it, come out. That's soldered in. It's 4 pegs. Right, I've got the soldering iron now. So, don't seem to want to do anything. It's soldered on very good. No chance. Well, proven that now, look. Oh, that's that program. Well, so in conclusion then, yes, you can get the casing apart fairly easily, but how you get those charging ports out of these circuit boards, I don't know. It might be easier on a more expensive tablet, but this, I can't even remember what it's called, SGIN or something, but it's obviously very sort of single use, should we say. It's about 18 months old, I suppose. But I'll get another one. I don't know if I get another one because I've got the PC, which I use for editing, and obviously a smartphone. And do I really need a tablet? I'll see what Amazon has to say on offer perhaps at some point. But anyway, I'll leave it at that. I might put this video out just as a warning to others that you might end up destroying your tablet trying to change the charging port. So anyway, if you have watched this far, thanks for watching. I'll think of something else to break and put another video out at some point. Cheers, bye.